What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday, so we're going to show you what's going on here at Blackout. And before we begin, I want to remind you, make sure you check out www.blackoutbash.org. We are selling tickets for the Gun Bash to raise money for the Latrobe 4th of July fireworks. We've already sold over 1,100 tickets, and this event will sell out. There's 4,000 altogether. We've only been selling them for a week, so check that out. But we're here in the tint bay right now. Behind me, we've got a Mini Cooper, the John Cooper Works Edition. This one is getting a full vinyl wrap, so we're changing the color from this like cream tan color to matte military green. And on this one, we're also doing the door jams, and the trunk jams. So we're going to be actually removing the doors from the car, removing all the hardware inside, as well as the hinges and everything, and wrapping the whole inside there. So even when the doors are open, you won't be able to tell this car was a wrap. It'll look like a paint job. So that's a fun project. We're waiting on material to show up. As you can tell, it's already disassembled and ready to go. We got a Corvette rear hatch, finished that up this week. We have two black SUVs here today. We've got one, a Chevy Tahoe. This is here for a CeramicPro Gold package, and a GMC Yukon, also here for a CeramicPro Gold package. This one's got paint protection film on the whole front end that we did, I believe, a couple of weeks ago, and that one has paint protection film on the hood that we did a couple of days ago. So most people will do paint protection film as well as ceramic together. This Dodge Ram here, this is a really nice truck that now has a gold package on it. We polished up the wheels, polished the paint. The paint needed a lot of correction work on this to really bring back the shine, so it looks awesome now. We've got another police vehicle here. This one's getting a lot of lighting all the way around, as well as a center console. And I want to say that's it for this one. Daryl's bike is still here. It's done, ready to go, paint corrected, paint protection film, ready to go home. Just waiting for nice weather, a day where he can come get it. And right behind John here, we've got the most exciting project in the shop. This is Ferrari F12. This is Autovlog's car. If you're familiar with his YouTube channel, check it out. We removed the paint protection film that was on here. We don't know what brand it was, but it left a ton of adhesive. We spent a lot of time getting the adhesive off and polishing areas that we had to, and then we rewrapped the car with XPEL Ultimate Plus. And over here, we've got a Dodge Charger from Latrobe Police. Looks like we might have a prisoner back there. He's resisting. This one is here for a push bar upgrade. It didn't have a push bar, so we installed one of the Phoenix ones that has lighting built into it, as well as a gun rack. You can see that's what they're working on right now. That's going to be an electronically controlled gun rack from the control panel inside. This is a cool car over here. This is a Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body. So this one was here for a couple things. We did window tint all the way around. I'm not sure what film it was. And then I wrapped the hood, the roof, and the trunk deck with the help of Jimmy, as well as the shark fin antenna on top. So those are all matte black. Gives it a really mean look. We also removed the badging off of the trunk, so the Charger and the Scat Pack B and the Dodge across the rear tail light, and then we tinted the inner part of the rear tail light. So if you get a chance to get a shot of it, it's really cool. It left the red outline around that and took everything inside, so the reverse lights and everything that was sort of bright is now tinted. So it looks pretty cool. So we're about to head outside, but these doors here that you see, these are going to be part of a really fun video. We're going to install security film on this. Then we're teaming up with Elite Tactical Firearms Training, Aaron Allen, if you guys know him, but we're going to do 12 mil security film with a caulking bead around it, an attachment system, and then we're going to take it to his gun range and shoot it, and then see how hard it is to break in. So we're going to do a really cool demo with that. Behind John, we've got a Jeep Gladiator. That's our friend Terry. We did a sound system in our last Jeep, and this one's here for a consultation as well. I think she just stopped by. We've got a ZL1. This one is getting some paint protection film on the front splitter and the rocker panels, and the scoop on the center of the hood is getting vinyl wrapped in a gray color, and I think it's getting some kind of ceramic package also. So it got prepped a little bit so far today. This Honda's here for a remote start system. That'll get done today. And this 911 Turbo, this is our friend John. This one's getting a yearly maintenance. We did paint protection film and a ceramic coating on it last year, and then we're swapping it out with his R8. We're going to be delivering that back to him in our new trailer and picking up his R8 for a full XPEL wrap. The truck behind John here also belongs to a police department. This is here for a full upfit, so it's a normal F-150 right now. When it leaves, it will be a police F-150. Got another 911 Turbo. This one's here for some ceramic coating, and I think maybe window tint, but that's it for that one. That's the same gentleman that had the yellow 911 turbo, the older 996 that we were working on. It's BMW 6 Series. It's our friend Dan, and this one was dropped off for window tint while he's in Hawaii. That dirty rat is having a lot more fun than we are here in Pennsylvania, and he's coming back to a tinted BMW. We've got a black 996. That's one that's been here for a little while. It's done now. It just needs final touch-up, and then it is ready to go home. We're also going to remove a dent from the quarter panel on that car. It looks like it was a door ding, and we do paintless dent removal as well. It's Toyota Prius Prime. This one is pretty cool. The interior is almost like a Tesla. They have huge screens in them now. It's the first time I've seen that, so nice car. This one got paint protection film on the whole front, so hood, fender, mirror, and bumpers. All right, and we've also got a boat here. So this boat is here for a couple different things. Number one, we're replacing the graphics on the side of it, so the Super Air Nautique, and there's a couple other little things. These are getting pulled off and replaced. You can tell they're damaged. And then the boat itself has a lot of scratches and things. We're going to polish out as much as we can. Some of these are too deep to polish. We're going to polish all the black parts that you see, and hopefully bring it back to life, and then clean the whole inside as well. You guys may recognize this truck. This is the Black Widow AT4 that we did a bunch of paint protection film on. We did the whole front end as well as all the fender flares. And this one's back today because we're not perfect, and the hood scoop is not seated perfectly like it should be. So we're going to take that off and see what's going on with that. It's just like a little lump in it. This Audi A7 is here for paint protection film on the whole front end. That's already done. And also a CeramicPro Gold package. So it's sitting here next in line. It's going to get prepped today and get started on all the polishing today. Nothing's up front today except for my Hellcat. It needs detailed very badly. But that's it for What's in the Shop Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoy seeing some of the behind the scenes of what goes on here at Blackout, and we'll see you next week.